Hi guys, welcome to my fixed library. Today I'm going to share with you some very interesting and useful tricks for multiplying two numbers which will be near 100. You can use these tricks for your competitive exams. So let's get started. Firstly, we have multiplication of two-digit number near 100. So we will see this through an example. So multiply 98 and 93. Here we are taking two-digit number 98 and 93, which is near 100. Now first step is treat 100 as a base for calculation. We are taking 100 as a base. So we will subtract these both numbers simultaneously by 100. So 100 minus 98 we are getting 2. And 100 minus 93 we are getting 7. Now we will put minus sign in front of both the resultant. This is for what? As we are taking 100 as a base, so minus sign shows that 98 is lesser than 100. Okay, then next step is we will put cross sign between 98, 93, 2 and 7. This cross sign denotes that 98 is for 7 and 93 is for 2. So we will subtract 98 minus 7 and 93 minus 2. So here answer we will get 91. For both the equation we are getting 91. Then next step is we will multiply both the differences. Here differences what we are getting 2 and 7. 100 minus 98 is 2 and 100 minus 93 is 7. So we will multiply these both differences together. 7 into 2, so we will get 14. Now we will put these both number together, that is 91 and 14 together. So we will get the product of 98 and 93, that is 9114. Now see this practically. So we are taking two numbers which is near 100, 98 and 93. Now we will take 100 as a base. 100 as a base. Then we will subtract both the numbers 98 and 93 simultaneously by 100. So 100 minus 98 is equal to 2 and 100 minus 93 is equal to 7. Now here we will put minus sign which denotes that 98 is lesser than 100. So we are putting minus sign here. The next step is we will put cross sign. So 98, 93 minus 2 minus 7. We are putting cross sign here which shows 98 and minus 7 are together and 93 and minus 2 are together. So we will do 98 minus 7 and 93 minus 2. Okay, so we will get 98 minus 7 is equal to 91 and 93 minus 7 is also equal to 91. Okay, we are getting the same resultant from both the equation. So now next step is we will multiply the differences of 100 minus 98 and 100 minus 93 together. So differences are 2 and 7. So we will multiply 2 and 7, then we will get 14. Now we will put these both number together, 9114. So this is the product of 98 and 93. Now next we have multiplication of three-digit number near 100. So here we are multiplying 102 and 108 together. So again treating 100 as a base. Here we will subtract 100 from 102 and 100 from 108. So 102 minus 100 we will get 2, and 108 minus 100 we will get 8. So here we will put minus sign in front of both the resultant. This minus sign denotes what? This addition sign denotes what? This addition sign shows that 102 is greater than 100. Now next we will do, we will put here cross sign between 102, 108, 2 and 8. So this cross sign will denote that 102 is for 8 and 108 is for 2. That means 102 plus 8 and 108 plus 2. So when we will do 102 plus 8, we will get 110. And similarly, when we will do 108 plus 2, we will again get 110. So here both the equation will give the same answer, that is 110. Then next step is we will multiply both the resultant, both the differences we are getting from 102 minus 100 and 108 minus 100, that is 2 and 8. So 2 into 8 is 16. Now we will put these both together, 110 and 16. Then we will get the product of 102 and 108. Now see what is the difference between these both. We have seen two of the cases. First was multiplication of 2-digit number, and this is multiplication of 3-digit number. So difference is that in multiplication of 2-digit number, here we can see we are taking 100 as a base, and then we are subtracting both the numbers from 100. But for 3-digit number, we are subtracting 100 from both the numbers. So this is only difference which we have in these two cases. Now let's see multiplication of 3-digit number practically. So we are taking 3-digit number which is near 100. So first number we will take 102 and second one is 108. Okay, so we will take again 100 as a base, and then we will subtract 100 from 102. Okay, and 100 again from 108. So 102 minus 100 and 108 minus 100. Then we will get here 2, and here we will get 8. Here we have to put plus sign, which denotes that 102 is greater than 100. Okay, now next step is we will put cross sign. So 102, 108 plus 2 plus 8. So putting the cross sign here, it denotes that we have to do 108 plus 2 and 102 plus 8. So we will get 110 for both the equation, 102 plus 8 and 108 plus 2. Okay, now we will multiply the difference of 102 minus 100 and 108 minus 100, that is 2 and 8. So 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Okay, then next step is we will put 110 and 16 together, 110 and 16. So this is the product of 102 and 108. Okay, now next we have multiplication of 2 and 3-digit number near 100. Here we are taking 2-digit number and 3-digit number both together. So example is 109 and 92. Here 3-digit number is 109 and 2-digit number is 92. Again we will take 100 as a base. Then what we were doing for 3-digit number, we have seen that we were subtracting the 100 from that number. So 109 minus 100, we will get 9. And for 2-digit number, we were subtracting that number from 100. So we will write 100 minus 92, that is 8. Now similarly we will do with signs. For 3-digit number we were putting plus sign, and for 2-digit number we were taking minus sign. So here for 109 minus 100, that is 3-digit number, we will put plus sign, and 100 minus 92, that is 2-digit number, we will put minus sign. Then next we will put cross sign between these 4 numbers, 109, 92, 9 and 8, which denotes that 109 is for 8 and 92 is for 9. So we will subtract 8 from 109 and we will add 92 and 9 together, which will give us same result as 101. Then next we will multiply the resultant. Here resultant we were getting 101, so we'll multiply this resultant from 100. So 101 into 100, we will get 10100. Then next step we have, again we will multiply the differences 9 and 8 together. So we will get 72. Then in last we will subtract the 72 from the resultant that we got from multiplying 101 and 100, that is 10100. Then we will get the product of 2 and 3-digit number, that is 109 and 92, which is 10028. Now let's see this practically. So we have a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number, 109 and 92. So firstly we will take 100 as a base, and for 3-digit number we will subtract 100 from 109. So 109 minus 100, we are getting 9 plus 9, and from 100 minus 92 we are getting minus 8. Okay, then next step we have 109 100, we will put here cross sign, which denotes that 109 is for 8 and 100 is for 9, means 109 minus 8 and 100 plus 9. Okay, so here we will get resultant as 101. For both the equation we will get the same resultant, that is 101. Now next step is we will multiply this resultant with 100. So we will get 10100. Okay, now next step is we will multiply both the differences that we have got from 109 minus 100 and 100 minus 92, that is 9 and 8. So 9 into 8 is 72. Now we are getting 72. So we will subtract 72 from 10100, minus 72. So here we will get 10028. Okay, so this is the product of 109 and 92. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share. And if you want more such informational videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates.